unlocking the essence of gentle glow. Hello everyone, and welcome to our language learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrases gentle and glow, and how they come together to create a vivid image in English. Let's illuminate our understanding step by step. Gentle is an adjective that we often use to describe something that is soft, mild, or tender. It can refer to a touch that is light and careful, a person who is kind and compassionate, or even a sound that is soft and soothing. In each case, gentle conveys a sense of calmness and ease. Moving on to glow, this noun describes a steady light, or the state of gently shining. It could be the warm light from a candle or the radiance from a person's face. When we talk about a glow, we're often picturing something that emits light in a soft and subtle manner. When we combine these two words to form the phrase, gentle glow, we create an image of a light that is not only soft and subtle but also warm and inviting. It's a comforting light that doesn't overwhelm but instead offers a soothing presence. It's often used to describe things like sunsets, fireflies, or the soft light in a cozy room. To deepen our understanding, let's see gentle glow in action. After the storm, the gentle glow of the dawn brought new hope. The room was filled with the gentle glow of the fireplace. She had a gentle glow about her, a sign of inner peace and happiness. Metaphorically, gentle glow can also refer to an emotional state or an atmosphere. It can symbolize a feeling of optimism or the presence of a comforting emotion. For instance, the gentle glow of her smile made everyone feel at home. And there you have it. The phrase, gentle glow, beautifully combines the qualities of gentleness and a soft light to create an image or describe a feeling that is both uplifting and tranquil. I hope this explanation helps illuminate your understanding and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in our next video.